Hey Salesforce Hubs, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Journey. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful developer skills in Salesforce, integration using REST API. Almost every modern application needs to communicate with another system. For example, website to Salesforce, mobile app to Salesforce, ERP system to Salesforce. Instead of manually entering data, systems communicate using APIs. And Salesforce provides powerful APIs to enable this. Today, we will build our own REST API inside Salesforce using Apex. Imagine a company has a registration form on their website. Whenever a user registers, the company wants a lead automatically created in Salesforce. But the website is not built on Salesforce. So we need to send data from the website to Salesforce. So how do we send the data from the website to Salesforce? The answer is REST API. A REST API allows external systems to send HTTP requests to Salesforce. These requests contain data like name, email, company. Salesforce receives the request and performs the action. Now, let's understand the mapping of the fields and the REST API. If we are able to understand this logic, we will be able to encapsulate any data within the Salesforce ecosystem by just adding the reference. Here we can understand that we want to create a new lead with name, company and email, and the lead should return the message as lead created successfully. Now we can write this by using the wrapper class with map and the status as success, and when we use put, we should be able to understand the difference. When we use put, we should be able to capture the status and the success result. And if we are able to encapsulate lead with the new lead ID, then we will be able to understand the difference. Now when we integrate two ecosystems into the ecosystems, in the sense two integrations into the curriculum, that is, if you want to add the last name with the company or the email, then we should be able to understand that the company and the string are in place with the last name. But when we replace the last name with the company, then we can't execute the logic, so we need to use wrapper classes. Here we can understand that the new lead which we create is part of this code, because we need to use @REST resource. This annotation exposes the class as a REST endpoint, meaning that the external systems can access using a URL. Now this @HTTP post, this annotation means that the API accepts post requests. Post requests are used when creating records. Lead object. We create a new lead object using data received from the external system. Insert operation. The lead record is saved in Salesforce. Now how do we test this code? We have to use Postman and we have to test this code. When it comes to testing the code, we can understand that in the real projects we must secure APIs. Important things which we can include is authentication using the OAuth, permission control, input validation, error handling. Salesforce uses OAuth tokens to ensure only authorized systems can access APIs. When it comes to the real world use cases, REST API integrations are used for website lead capture, mobile app integrations, payment gateways, ERP systems, marketing platforms. Almost every enterprise project requires Salesforce integrations. When it comes to integrations, we should understand the logic. The logic is between the wrapper class and the maps. And the wrapper class can be in place where we have wrapped the data within the map, and we can return the response only if it is a success. When it comes to this code, result is success, so we have to integrate the skills. Integrates the authentication by using our integration skills. Now here's a challenge for you. Modify this API, create a contact instead of lead, return a JSON response, and add error handling. If you can build this successfully, you are already thinking like a Salesforce integration developer. if this hands-on session helped you, that is the hands-on in the sense I have written the data, the code I want you to execute the code. When it comes to the live sessions which I conduct, it is for rupees 750 and it is for 2 months. That is developer admin and advanced developer courses. And when it comes to the sales-based courses, it is for 500 rupees. And if you want to enroll to this course, you can contact me at 8000330007, and the number is in the description below. And I want you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry about the network issues. If you're not able to understand the number, you can contact the number which is in the description below. Okay, my number is 8050030007. Okay, and in case you feel that the recording of the session should be up to the mark, that is, if you're not happy with the sessions, you can comment in the comment section below or send a personal message so that I can work on this feedback. But I prefer a personal message because I check the messages and I can work on the feedback. I check the messages every 2 or 3 days, and I respond to the messages, and I'm thankful to the subscribers who are happy with my YouTube channel, and I want to reach 1000 subscribers. So I want you to support my Salesforce hub community by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, especially commenting. When it comes to commenting, I want you to comment either challenge accepted or challenge failure if you're not able to understand this concept.